Gizmo on the Hiawatha Bridge. This is going to be the first try. It is well lit. Andy was too tired / pussified. I'm going to try my best. Kirsten is here.
Hi.
Yes. So if I biff it, there's somebody to call an ambulance or some shit. I just seen a bat fly past. I'm going to go slow on the first run because I don't know what this thing does or not. The nest is up there. The birds of attacking. We're getting to the top of the hill. Here we go. That is what I was worried about. Steel transfer plates. This is really gonna hurt. This is nice, smooth. Transfer plate was not that much to deal with. Turning around now. Good night.